Okay, and welcome to this video. So in this video we're going to show you how to use Screencast-O-Matic, which is free. This is the software. Go to screencast-o-matic.com and simply you just want to click on the start recording button there. Now what will happen is it'll come up with the launching the recorder. It might ask you to download something, which is fine. If the launcher doesn't open as it does now, as you're seeing now, you will need to download and run a little piece of software, a bit of a JavaScript. So it's working for me because I've already done that. So I'm just going to do say launch application. So it is get recorder launcher. So download launcher. So if you need to do that, just download it. Now what is happening is it is now opened up the recorder. This is the recorder. Okay, it was on the other screen. I've got two screens open, so this is actually I've just moved it across. So that's the good thing about Screencast-O-Matic. I can swap it between screens, whereas with other software sometimes you can't do that. So this is it. Let's open up. Let's just go to Google Docs and open up a blank screen. Okay, so we've now got a blank screen so you can see the stuff. So what we've got here is the recorder. If you click on this, it'll show that you are now recording the screen, so that's showing as white. You've got the option of doing webcam, so if you click on that, it'll turn on the webcam, so you'll probably see me in a second. If I choose which webcam I'm using, so that's me. I've got the option of doing both with me in the corner, or go back to the screen because I look a little bit scary there. Maximum time, because you're using the free version, you've only got 15 minutes. Now if you get the paid version of Screencast-O-Matic, it is only $15 for the year, and you can record a lot longer videos. Basically, as long as your memory on your hard drive is, you could record half an hour, 2 hours. It depends on what memory you've got. Computer audio, if you get the Pro, you can hear what is being recorded through the actual computer itself. So if you was recording a music video on YouTube, you can hear the music, but you won't while you're using the free version, which is not a big issue. Narration, again, you choose which microphone you're using. So as for me, I've got the headset, so I would choose that, and it's picking it up. So I press OK, so that's got me speaking through. You can see the sounds are coming up. Size, you can choose what size you want your screen to be, or you can do full screen. But if you go back to say the small version, just move it around. If you go into these corners, you can drag the screen to suit whatever you want to record, which is ideal. So if you wanted to do things like a slideshow, just do that. Let's go back to here we go. If I just drag this across here, you can open up the slideshow so that it is a full slideshow, and then just record the full screen. But for now I'm just sort of dragging these there we go, just trying to do that. That's it. So now what we've got is my little box around the slide that I've used in PowerPoint. So all you need to do now then is basically click the record button. You get a 3-second countdown, and the black line will turn to red and white. So that now depicts that I'm recording. As you can see, it's going down there. It is recording. If you want to stop your recording, you press the pause button. Now you get the option of you can either delete everything and start over. So if you hit the trash can icon, you can start over, and that basically means that it'll delete your recording and you'll be set up to record again. Or you can click no, and it'll carry on where you were. So you can either click record and then continue recording. As you can see, now gone from 11 seconds to 15 seconds. Once your video is done, or you're happy with, simply click on the done button, and this will open up now the Screencast-O-Matic box, like so. See if I can just make that a little bit small, because it's in the, there we go, in the line. Now this is where you will save your video. You can click on this button, and there, so we've now recorded the video. It's got the audio there, so I know the video. You can preview it. You can upload to YouTube. If you have a YouTube account, you can upload to Screencast-O-Matic. You can upload 15-minute videos to Screencast-O-Matic unless you use the Pro hosting, which costs you money. I've never done that, and there's no need to. And you can save as video file. So if you click on the Save as Video file, you now get this page here, or basically the same page. It just opens up another box of options. So you've got the type. You can choose MP4, which is the default, or you can do an AV and a VLV file. File name, you can give it a file name by simply clicking on that tab and then changing it. So you could do tutorial 2, and that's added to there. Now I can the folder, I can stick it in desktop, or if I click on there, I can browse and I can select a folder. So if you were doing a load of tutorials, you could create a folder in a specific folder, so like in my documents or my videos, and you can have a folder in there saying video tutorials. You would want to save this to that folder. You just simply go to folder and click on browse, and it would be opening up a folder selection box as such. You've got highlight cursor, no cursor, just cursor, change cursor. So if you want to highlight it or not, you can do. That's up to you. I'm not. Captions, you click on that, you can add captions. To do that, you would give yourself a title, then you would choose a text file. So you would have a text document with the writing, and you can add that to your video if you wish. I don't use that basically, because I just use things on slides, or if I'm doing a video I do a slide, or just do what's on the screen like you're seeing now. So simply when you're done, you go to publish. So you click the green button, and this will now save the video to your desktop. And this is now telling me that it's finished. So I've got the tutorial 2 MP4, so I can browse the folder, I can copy the path, or I can just play the video to have a look. So just play the video. That should open up my default video player. So there you go. So that was that was playing the video that I've just recorded using Screencast-O-Matic. So I'll close that down. So basically now all you need to do is click on done, and we are done. What I will do is I'll just close these down, and we should find that there will be a tutorial 2 MP4 here on the desktop. Click on that again, and so there it is. That is the video showing. That was the video playing. So that's how you use Screencast-O-Matic. It's extremely simple. So you go to screencast-o-matic.com, click on the button that says start recording. It will start to launch the recorder. If the recorder doesn't launch, it will ask you to download just some sort of JavaScript. It'll come to your computer. You just basically click on the download and click run, and then it will open up. Once you've got that, just click on the retry button that will appear, and then it will launch the recorder as you saw, and then you can record your screen and slides, and that's basically it. It's 15 minutes. You will get the let's see if I can quickly find it. Just blow that up a little. In the corner here you'll see recorded with Screencast-O-Matic. It gives you a watermark. on all the videos that you record using the free version. If you get the pro version, which if we where is it? Let's go back home, Screencast-O-Matic to home. We scroll down. You have the free version. You get 15-minute recordings, screen and webcam recording, published to YouTube, save as video file. The pro version, which as I say is here, $15 for the year. You actually get editing tools, scripted recordings. You get to draw and zoom. You can publish to Google Drive, Vimeo, and Dropbox. You can take screenshots. So of your video, you've got the option of making screenshots from the video. You can record computer audio, Windows only, so you can record your audio, as I said before, what's playing on the actual video. You won't have heard it on this video, or you might have done because I'm actually using Camtasia to record this video. But on the free version you won't record any music or any sounds coming through the video. You can make longer recordings, there'll be no watermark, and I don't know if I've said it before, but there will be the edit tools, so you actually get the option to crop and cut bits out and make it a bit more professional. So for $15 for the year for a license for Screencast-O-Matic, it's a no-brainer. It's a great piece of software. I highly recommend it. I use Screencast-O-Matic most of the time. I only use Camtasia now and again when I'm recording tutorials like this to show you how to use Screencast-O-Matic, because Camtasia generally slows down my machine, whereas Screencast-O-Matic doesn't. I can do a lot more things and it doesn't slow it down. So yeah, so I love Screencast-O-Matic and I highly recommend it. So thank you for watching this video, and we shall see you soon.